How to fix threads login prevented. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search app threads or click here for search and go to for stop, click OK and go to storage and click clear data and click OK and click clear cache. After these steps, go to airplane mode, turn on and turn off airplane mode. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.